Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله والله يعلم إنك لرسوله والله يشهد إن المنافقين لكاذبون.
O Prophet, when the hypocrites come to you, they say, "We bear witness that you are certainly Allah's messenger." Allah certainly knows that you are His messenger, but Allah also bears witness that the hypocrites are utter liars.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They shelter behind their oath and thus hinder their own selves and others from the path of Allah. Evil indeed is what they do.
ذلك بأنهم آمنوا ثم كفروا فطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
All that is because they first believed and then disbelieved, and therefore a seal was set on their hearts. As a result, they understand nothing.
وإذا رأيتهم تعجبك أجسامهم وإن يقولوا تسمع لقولهم كأنهم خشب مسندة يحسبون كل صيحة عليهم هم العدو فاحذرهم قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون.
When you look at them, their persons are pleasing, and when they speak, you pay heed to what they say. But in truth, they are merely beams of timber propped up against a wall. They consider every shout they hear to be directed against them. They are your utter enemies. Guard against them. May Allah do away with them. How are they being turned away from the truth?
وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ تَعَالَوْا يَسْتَغْفِرْ لَكُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ لَوَّوْا رُءُوسَهُمْ وَرَأَيْتَهُمْ يَصُدُّونَ وَهُمْ مُسْتَكْبِرُونَ.
When it is said to them, "Come, Allah's messenger will seek forgiveness for you," they contemptuously shake their heads, and you see them holding back in pride.
سواء عليهم أستغفرت لهم أم لم تستغفر لهم لن يغفر الله لهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
It is all the same for them whether you ask forgiveness for them or not, for Allah shall never forgive them. Surely Allah does not direct the transgressing folk to the right way.
هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون.
It is they who say, "Give nothing to those who are with the Messenger of Allah, so that they may disperse." They say so, although the treasures of the heavens and the earth belong to Allah. But the hypocrites do not understand.
يقولون لئن رجعنا إلى المدينة ليخرجن الأعز منها الأذل ولله العزة ولرسوله وللمؤمنين ولكن المنافقين لا يعلمون.
They say, when we return to Medina, the honorable ones will drive out from it those that are abject. In truth, all honor belongs to Allah and to His Messenger and to the believers, but the hypocrites do not know.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تلهكم أموالكم ولا أولادكم عن ذكر الله ومن يفعل ذلك فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
Believers, let your possessions and your offspring not make you negligent of Allah's remembrance. For whoso does that, they will be the losers.
وأنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي أحدكم الموت فيقول رب لولا أخرتني إلى أجل قريب فأصدق وأكن من الصالحين.
And spend of what Allah has granted you by way of sustenance before death should come to any of you and he should say, Lord, why did you not defer my return for a while so that I might give alms and be among the righteous?
ولن يؤخر الله نفسا إذا جاء أجلها والله خبير بما تعملون.
But when a person's term comes to an end, Allah never grants any respite. Allah is well aware of all that you do.